In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change uppercase to lowercase text in Microsoft Word, plus the shortcut. If you have text in your Microsoft Word document that is written in all uppercase letters, and you want to quickly change it to lowercase, Word provides a simple change case feature that lets you switch between different letter cases without retyping the text. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document containing the text you want to change. Select the text that you want to convert from uppercase to lowercase. You can select a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or multiple lines of text. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Font section and find the Change Case button. This button usually appears as an uppercase A and lowercase a. Click Change Case to open the available options. From the list, select lowercase. Microsoft Word will immediately change all of the selected letters to lowercase. For example, if your selected text was written as, "This is my text," it will change to, "This is my text." You can use the same change case menu to switch text to other formats, such as uppercase, capitalize each word, or sentence case. Now let's look at the keyboard shortcut. After selecting the text you want to change, press Shift and F3 on your keyboard. Each time you press Shift plus F3, Microsoft Word cycles through the available capitalization formats. Depending on the original text and the current case, you can use this shortcut to switch between lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize each word. If you're using a laptop and the function keys require the FN key, you may need to press FN, Shift, and F3 together, depending on your keyboard settings. This shortcut can save time because you don't need to move your mouse to the Change Case button every time you want to change capitalization. If you only want lowercase text, continue using the shortcut until the selected text appears in lowercase. You can also use the Change Case menu if you prefer to see the available options and select lowercase directly. After changing the text, click anywhere in the document to remove the selection and review the result. And that's how you can change uppercase text to lowercase in Microsoft Word. You can use the Change Case option from the Home tab or the Shift plus F3 keyboard shortcut to change the capitalization quickly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,